Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to design this swiping card like interface, something like Tinder. So you have seen these interfaces like this, so you can drag it by your mouse and series of images. I will show you how to make this swiping like interface. So Tinder is actually a dating website which has this UI. If you go to Tinder, and you will see the card like structure where you can swipe the images which are moving. So we have a series of images and we'll be showing you how to do this very simply. It works on both mobile and desktop. You can simply, with the tap of the mouse, you can swipe your images, something like this. So there is a specific React.js package which does this, and actually the name of the package is react-swipeable-views. So if you just go to npmjs.com and search for a package which is called as react swipeable views. So this is essentially this package I'm talking about, and if you just search for this package, the very first link which comes in, this is actually a React component for swappable views. So I'm essentially using this package and it's already having a very large number of downloads. So almost 144,000 weekly downloads. So this is actually the command here. I've already installed this module, so you just need to install it. And they do offer a website as well. If you see, if I go to their website, they have a nice little documentation. This is actually their website, and I will show you a very basic example and just make a simple functional component. And first of all, we need to require this. So using the import statement, we just simply write import swipeable views, and it will be coming from this package react swipeable views. You can see that. And now we have a series of images in my source directory, in my assets directory. So you can see all these 6 images. I will use it. So directly I will import these images, so one by one. So I will simply say import image 1, and it will be coming from your assets. Then we import the second image, again with the same path, 2 dot. So we just copy this, 3 4 5 6. So these are 6 images, so I will just change the name. And then we will change the name here like this. So now I imported all these 6 images with their names, and after this I will use this component wherever I need to put it. So I will simply use this swipeable views component, and here you will see the opening and the closing tag, and here you need to specify the images. So we will have a div, and I will just give it a simple styling to this div. And for this I will just declare a simple global variable here, styles, which will hold the simple styles for this. For each slide I will have an object here which will have some styling to it. Padding 0, margin is 0, and width will be 100 vertical width, height will be 100 vertical height, and I will just display them in a flex like structure, and align items will be center, and justify content. To make everything in the center position, I'm just giving these styling simple styles. And also the background of the image needs to be contained. So background size, I will say contain, so it ensures that the whole image is visible. And also background repeat, I will set it to no repeat. And then background position, these are just a stylings I'm giving for the images to align the image perfectly. So just copy these styles and create this global variable. And now I will apply these styles. So you'll simply say dot 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 styles dot slide, and I will just give it a background image. So I'll give it a background image which is stored inside URL, and here you will specify your image. So this is actually the backtick symbol for dynamically inserting this image. We have already this variable present, image1. If you see, we are dynamically inserting it. So now we have one image, one slide. So inside this div tag, so what we can do is that we can have this closing tag. So if you now see, if you refresh your application, we have the single image. Now in the similar way, I will just copy this and repeat this 5 more times. So here we are applying the same styles for each slide. If you see, this is the third image, fourth image. I just need to change actually the path. Image 2, this is image 3, this is image 4, this is image 5, image 6. So now we have 6 images, but now to enable the mouser pointer, because we can't move it, we are on desktop, so we need to allow the mouser pointing events. So this package has a special property because it only works in mobile devices by default. If you see, if you align it, if you inspect element and just now it works on the mobile devices, but it doesn't work by default on desktop devices. For that, we have a special attribute that you can enable inside this package. So right here inside the parent tag, you enable this option, which is enable mouse events. So what does it does offers you? So now if you are on desktop, you can use mouse pointers. Simply tap on the mouse and just you can swipe to go to the next slide. You can see that. So all the 6 images, you can swipe it, go to the previous, next. So in this way, you can make this Tinder like structure, swiping interface, and go to the next image. And you can do this for any element. It need not have to be a image. Let's suppose I have a h1 heading here. So I will say this is a heading. You can have any HTML element that you can swipe. So after these 6 images, the heading will come, and let's suppose after this you put a comma and then we have a paragraph. So this is a paragraph. So you can have as many elements as you want. It can contain headings, paragraphs, images. So in this way you can swipe it. You can see that. So in this way you can easily make this swiping little interface using this nice little package, which is react-swipeable-views. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.